One of the things that comes up in plant medicine journeys over and over again when people talk about their experiences is the appearance of archetypes as part of the inner journey.
If you're in a place that hasn't decriminalized yet, we love to help you out.
The non-mystical experience might be perceived as quote unquote better or somehow more legitimate than one.
In certain types of experiences, there is this sense of relief despite not having this really powerful, profound inner experience.
Could such a substance actually be really commodified?
At the end of the day, when you have your eyes closed, you know it's you and the experience.